Good morning, 6th class. From today, we are going to start the revision of the syllabus for PA1, and the revision schedule has been posted on your groups. I hope you all have seen that. And for the 1st May, your topic is notice writing. Yesterday also I gave you the homework, and I hope you all have learned that and do practice of that. So I am here to just revise the points that are main in the topic. So first of all, you see it is the format of notice writing on your screen. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to make a box with the help of the pencil and scale box on your page as I have drawn. Then we will start writing. In the first line, very first line, we have to write the name of the institution. Name of the institution, and it should be in capital letters. See, in the bracket I have written capital, means it should be in capital letters. Name of the institution, just as we can write the name of our school, Rishikul Vidyapeeth, Sonipat. Okay. Then in the next line, it is notice. It is also in capital, NOTICE, notice. Then again the next line, one thing we are to write. Then next line, it is date. Date of the day. It may be any date, it may be the date of today. And whenever you are writing the notice, or as per the requirement of the notice, we have to write the date. We have to write the date as per the requirement of notice. It is not necessary that the date should be of today only or tomorrow only. It is as per the need, we have to write the date. Then it is the subheading. Subheading means what is the main point of our notice. For what we are writing the notice. It may be lost, it may be found, it may be any meeting. So that is called the subheading. And subheading should also be in the capital letters. Okay. Then the next comes our body. Body of the notice. In body we have to describe the thing. We have to tell all the details we are to give about what we are writing. If we are writing about the lost, then what is lost? If we are writing about the find, then what is find? If we are writing about any meeting, then what is the agenda of meeting? What is the time? What is the venue? Means this all is called body. It is called body. Then we have to sum up our notice, and in sum up last we have to write the name of the writer. Who is writing the notice, whose name will be there, and then in the last designation. Designation means what is the post. Just as you are writing the notice, then you are a student of class 6th. If you are monitor, then your name and monitor class 6th. Anything, it may be your designation, you have to write that. So I think it is clear to everyone, format of the notice. Let us revise some notice. They are in the examples. See on the top, it is the notice of lost. The heading is also given. A satchel is made of canvas and is of green color. It contains 4 books, 3 notebooks and a geometry set. Write the notice for him. Do not use more than 30 words. So it is the notice of the lost. Means somebody has lost the bag, or we can say satchel, and the things were there. So the person is writing the notice about the loss of the bag, and he will request the finder to give it back. Okay. So see on the top, it is Government Girls School, Bijwasan. It is the name of the institution and the city. We can write the name of our school. If we have to write, if it is not given, If the name of the school and city is given or institution is given, we have to use the same. We cannot change, then our notice will be wrong. When it is given, then follow the same. Then it is the name given, Government Girls School, Bijwasan. Then notice in capitals. Then date is written 4th November 2020 we can write, or the date of today we can write. Okay. Then the next is lost. See, LOST, it is written in capital. So now read the notice. Lost a green canvas satchel containing 4 books, 3 notebooks and a geometry set. The finder is requested to restore it to the undersigned. The finder is requested to return it to the undersigned. It is also correct. And downside, the name of the writer is Satish and he is a student of class 6th C. I think it's very easy and clear to everyone. Okay. Now come to example 2. Savitri of class 6th A has found some coins tied in a handkerchief outside the principal's office. She wants to bring it to the notice of the students. Write for her this notice saying that the claimant may have the money from her. Do not use more than 30 words. Always keep in mind one thing, that we should not use more words in the notice. Only the necessary detail we have to give. We should not use any extra word. Otherwise there will be wrong. Now see, the name of the school is not given, but it is written here, Happy Model School, Gurugram. Then second line notice, then date, and then it is found, F-O-U-N-D, found. Found some coins tied in a handkerchief outside principal's office. The claimant, or we can say loser, who has lost, may have the money from the undersigned. Undersigned means those who have put the signature downside. That is called undersigned. Who is undersigned? It is Savitri. Undersigned means the person who has put the signature downside. That is undersigned. After satisfying her. And who is the writer? It is Savitri of class 6th A. Okay. Now see the next one. One more example is given. It is third. You are Ankush, captain of your school football 11. Your team is playing friendly football match with Jawahar Club on 17th October at 5 p.m. on your grounds. Write a notice for the school notice board asking the students to witness the match. Do not use more than 35 words. Now you see here, what is the date? It is here 17th October at 5 p.m. And which month is going on? It is May now. So we will not write the date of May, 1 May. We will write the date as per the event. As it is 17 October, so we can write the date of 2 October, 3 October, 4 October. The date of October we will write. Okay. See, Janta Public School, Moti Nagar. It is the name of the institution and city. Then notice. Then date. They have written 15th October 2020. Then the subheading is friendly football match. Friendly football match. A friendly football match between our school and Jawahar Club will be played on our grounds on 17th October at 5 p.m. All are cordially invited to enjoy it. And who is writing the notice? It is Ankush, captain of football 11. Okay, it's clear to everyone. Now see one more example. See, Example number 4. It is on the top. You are Niranjan Singh, the monitor of 6th A. Your class teacher informs you that a picnic to a riverside is to be organized. He asks you to write a notice informing the students. Write the notice in not more than 45 words, including the following details. See the details: the date and time of assembly in school, duration of the picnic, contribution per student, the date by which contribution is to be deposited and with whom, permission letter from parents, and swimming not allowed. These are all instructions we have to use in our notice. Now see, Sucheta Public School, Bhiwani, notice, the name of the institution and notice is written. Then it is the date as per the need. Then picnic to riverside. If you want to join a 3-hour picnic to riverside on 17th July, deposit with the undersigned by 15th July rupees 50 plus parents permission letter. Assemble in school at 10 a.m. and note is also written, swimming not allowed. And who is the writer? Niranjan Singh, monitor, 6th A. Clear? Now downside 3 notices are there and you know them very well. You have done them in your notebooks also and they are your homework also today. I think you are prepared for them. The first one is your notice for the lost. Second is your found. And the third notice is about the art of writing. I think you are ready for them and I shall give you one in the test. So bye students. It's all for the day.